Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Lacombe, Alberta. This charming city is found in central Alberta, just north of Red Deer, and about halfway between Edmonton and Calgary. The land here is made up of gentle hills, wide open fields, and beautiful farmland. The area has a rich farming history and is known for its strong agricultural roots, with grain, cattle, and dairy farms all around the countryside. Lacombe was first settled in the late 1800s. It was named after Father Albert Lacombe, a Catholic missionary who worked closely with Indigenous peoples and early settlers in Western Canada. The arrival of the Canadian Pacific Railway helped the community grow, and many of the beautiful old brick buildings from the early 1900s can still be seen in the downtown area today. In fact, Lacombe's historic downtown is one of the best preserved in Alberta, giving visitors a glimpse of what prairie towns once looked like. The city is also known for its parks, trails, and nearby lakes. One popular spot is Gull Lake, just a short drive west of town, where people come to camp, fish, swim, and relax by the water. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Lacombe, Alberta. Thanks for watching.